Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is Anika Vishwakarma, and today in this video I'll be showing you unboxing and first impression of this Boult Audio Thunder headphones. These headphones I bought from Flipkart guys, and you'll be shocked guys because I bought this one for just 599 rupees in the Flipkart sale. That is a big billion day sale. So I'll be showing you unboxing and first impression of these headphones. So before starting the video guys, please do subscribe my channel if you haven't, and also hit the bell icon to get all my videos regularly. So let's start the video guys. So guys, the box something looks like this. As you can see in the front, they've shown the image of this headphones, as you can see, and over here and all they're given the branding of this Boult Audio, and over here also, and over here something they have given like some specifications. As you can see, it has some like extra bass, and it has built-in mic and HD deep bass and 3D acoustics, and it has 1 year warranty guys, and also it has some built-in micro woofers, as you can see here. And over here something like from where it has been imported and from where it has been manufactured, that details is given. And the MRP listed over here is around 4,000 rupees, but guys, we have got for just 600, that is 599 in the Flipkart sale. So that was really good guys. So we'll be doing unboxing now. So you have seen the box details and all. So let us open from here guys. So as you can see, the seal is over here. You have to open from here. Over here also it's sealed guys. So I'll be opening now. Let me take the knife and open it now. So this was really good deal guys. So if you want to just check out this item, you can just check out in the description. I have given the links and all, so you can check out from there guys. So let's open now guys. Okay, I'm excited to see how it will be. Okay guys, so just like this we have opened this. Let me keep the box aside. Let me keep it over here. Yeah, it looks good. And over here this is the headphones and some details and all. You can see. Let us look what is this one guys first. Okay, let me keep it over here. So as you can see guys, this is the 3.5mm jack and all, aux cable, as you can see. So you can use it with wire also if you want. So let me keep it here. And this is the charging cable guys. As you can see, this is a micro USB charger, normal one type. As you can see, let me show you properly. Yeah, let me keep this thing also aside, and in this we'll see what else do we get. So nothing else in this, and this was just some pouch and all. Let me keep it over here. It looks good guys now. Yeah, so this is something like a warranty card type. As you can see, it says authentic and all. Let me show you. Yeah, as you can see, you can register for this warranty guys, so it will be good. So if you want to read, you can just read out. And the different, this one guys, let me show you. This is small user manual guys, so it's very cute manual, as you can see, so small, so it's good. And let us come to the headphones itself guys now. Okay, so this is the thing for that we bought the headphones. Let me keep this thing aside and let me focus first. So as you can see guys, this is the headphones which I want to get. This is the main product which we bought for. Yeah, looks good guys, it looks good and sturdy, but built is fully plastic guys. That thing is there, you can't expect like metal and all over here. And even this thing is plastic only. Let me show you. Yeah, so this thing is also plastic only. So but flexibility is there guys, but you can't do more this thing flexible also, because it may break, who knows, we don't know. So it's better we don't do much flexibility. And over here, as you can see, the Boult branding is shown over here. Yeah guys, so and the top and all nothing. And these things are like movable guys. So as you can see, let me show you closely. It is movable, so you can adjust to your ears properly. As you can see, both are moving guys. And the cushion over here given is really soft guys. I can feel it's very soft, as you can see, so spongy and all. Yeah, and so this is the over the ears headphone guys, so it will cover full ears, so it is really good. And it has something passive noise cancellation, not the active one, so that is really good, because like background noise it can like remove up to some extent and all, so it's really good. And over here, this is this rubber thing guys. This one, it's like rubber, it's not like a cushion one. So little bit it has cushion guys, very little, so okay, not that great. And over here, as you can see, this is a 3.5mm jack, where you can just insert and do all your things like this. as you can see, and the other end will go to your mobile phone or anything. And this thing is the charging cable. Like this is a micro USB port. You can just put this one here, and you can just put this thing in any adapter which supports USB this thing, and you can just charge it. And these are some light. When you on it, I think so it will come, and some more buttons, as you can see. Let me show you clearly. I hope you will be able to see now. Let me just focus, guys. I think you will not be able to see. My camera is not focusing, guys. Okay, now you will be able to see, I think so. Yeah, so as you can see, this thing is some buttons and all, and over here it is plus button, as you can see, for more volume up and down. Let me show you. Yeah, so this is the plus button, guys, which I'm pressing now, and this is the some dot diagram. I don't know, I think it's for power on off, and this is the minus one, this one for reducing the volume and all. Let us on this one. Let us see what will happen. As you can see, this light is blinking now, so it says also power on. I heard now, just now. I think you'll not be able to hear, so I just powered it on, and it's very flexible, guys. As you can see, it's very flexible, and it looks good. It's really good, and it looks like durable. We'll see, guys, how durable it is, but in the initial seeing, it looks really durable, so it's good. And this thing is really soft, guys, this cushion and all, so I think you can wear it for like long time and all, so it will not hurt your ears and all, and it's good. And also the range is around 10 meters for this wireless one. Bluetooth, it supports Bluetooth, guys, Bluetooth. And it also support, like, if your if it doesn't have battery, you can just put this aux cable and use it in your phone and all without battery, so that option is also there, and it's good, guys. So I like it. In the initial impression, it looks really good, guys. So I'll be just testing this one out, and I'll be showing you all the review of this in the next video. So how do you like this headphone, guys? So just comment in the comment section, and in the next video I'll be showing you all the review of this, how the headphone is, like, it is good or not, and how is the range and all. Is it working properly within the 10 meters range, and all everything I'll be showing you in the next video, guys. So till then, just be stay tuned, guys. So this was all for the video, guys, and if you want to check out this item, guys, then do check out the description section, where I'll be giving all the links. From there you can just check out easily for just checking out, guys. So this is all for the video, guys. So hope you like the video, and for getting like this type of videos, so please to subscribe my channel, and it will help me to motivate to make more and more such videos like this, guys. So thank you, guys, for this video. It is so much only, and for the next video, please be stay tuned, guys. So thank you, guys, take care, and bye bye.